Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Akins, and on this channel, we dive deep into improving your finances with practical tips and biblical wisdom. Today, we're tackling 20 businesses that will get you out of poverty. Act now. It's about taking control of your life and building a future you can be proud of. Grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's dive in. Our first business idea is all about using your skills, and that's freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are like virtual job boards for freelancers. You create a profile, list your services, and bam, you're open for business. You set your rates, you choose your projects, and you're your own boss. But here's the key, folks. You gotta treat it like a real business. Remember, Proverbs 22-29 says, "Do you see a man skilled in his work? He will stand before kings. He will not stand before obscure men." Now, let's talk about a business model that's really taken off in recent years. Dropshipping. Imagine this. You have an online store, you sell products, but you never actually touch the inventory. Here's how it works. You find a supplier who offers dropshipping services. You list their products on your online store, and when a customer buys from you, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's low risk. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce without breaking the bank. Next up, we've got affiliate marketing, and this one's all about using your influence to earn passive income. You partner with a company that offers an affiliate program. You promote their products or services on your website, social media, or through email marketing. And when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success with affiliate marketing is finding the right niche. What are you passionate about? What products or services do you genuinely believe in? It's all about building trust and providing value. If you're a social media whiz, consider social media management. Every business needs a strong online presence with active social media accounts. As a manager, you'd create posts, engage followers, run ads, and analyze data. The best part? You can work remotely, setting your own hours. Let's get down to basics with our next business idea, cleaning services. People are busy, and sometimes cleaning falls to the bottom of the to-do list. Starting a cleaning business is relatively low cost. You can start by offering residential cleaning services to friends, family, and neighbors. And as you build your reputation and your client base, you can expand to commercial properties. It's a business that can grow as big as you want it to. Our next business idea is all about organization and efficiency. Becoming a virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for skilled virtual assistants to help them with a wide range of tasks. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have excellent communication skills, you've got the makings of a great virtual assistant. You can find clients through online platforms, social media groups, or even by networking with local businesses. It's a flexible and in-demand career path that can be tailored to your skills and interests. If you've got a knack for teaching and a passion for a subject, listen up. Online tutoring is booming. With the rise of online learning platforms and demand for personalized education, it's a great time to become an online tutor. Think about the subjects you excelled in. You can find gigs through platforms, work from home, and make a difference in students' lives. This business idea is for all you bargain hunters and treasure seekers. Thrift store reselling. Buy items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces for a fraction of their retail value and resell them for a profit. Specialize in vintage clothing, antique furniture, or collectible toys, or be a generalist. The key is having a good eye for value and knowing where to sell your finds. Let's get back to basics with our next business idea, lawn care and landscaping. Everybody needs their grass cut, right? It's a service that's always in demand, especially during the spring and summer months. You can start small, offering basic lawn mowing services to neighbors and friends. And as you gain experience and build your client base, you can expand your services. The beauty of a lawn care business is that it's scalable. It's a great way to be your own boss, get some fresh air, and build a successful business from the ground up. If you're a creative soul with a story to tell or a passion to share, listen up. Content creation is exciting and potentially lucrative. YouTube, blogging, podcasting. Build an audience with valuable content. Earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Consistency and authenticity are key. It takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be life-changing. Now, this next business idea is for those of you who are interested in real estate but don't necessarily want to be landlords: real estate wholesaling. It's a strategy that allows you to profit from properties without ever actually owning them. You find deeply discounted properties, often those that are in foreclosure or need significant repairs. You then negotiate a contract with the seller to buy the property at a below-market price and assign the contract to another buyer for a fee. The key to success with wholesaling is finding great deals and building relationships with investors. Let's get back to a service-based business that's always in demand: car detailing. People love their cars, and they're willing to pay good money to keep them looking their best. As a car detailer, you'd provide services like washing, waxing, interior cleaning, engine cleaning, and even headlight restoration. You can start by offering your services to friends, family, and neighbors, and as you build your reputation, you can expand your client base. It's a business that's relatively low cost to start and has the potential to generate a steady stream of income. If you thrive on organization and creativity, event planning might be perfect for you. People celebrate milestones, weddings, birthdays, corporate events, and often hire planners. You'd handle everything from venues and catering to decorations and entertainment. Be the mastermind, ensuring the event runs smoothly and everyone has a memorable experience. If you have an eye for composition and a passion for capturing moments, photography and videography can be lucrative businesses. People need talented photographers and videographers for cherished memories, from weddings to corporate events. You don't need expensive equipment to start, but understanding lighting, composition, and editing is crucial. Build your portfolio with free or discounted shoots, and as you gain experience, start charging for your services. Success comes from a strong portfolio, effective marketing, and excellent customer service. Let's talk about a business idea that's all about convenience and healthy living meal prep services. People are busier than ever, and finding time to cook healthy meals is a challenge. As a meal prep service provider, you'd prepare and package healthy meals for busy individuals or families. Success lies in creating delicious, healthy meals, competitive pricing, and effective marketing. If you're passionate about fitness and helping others, becoming a personal trainer could be your calling. The fitness industry is booming, and the demand for qualified trainers is higher than ever. Specialize in weight training, cardio, yoga, or a specific sport. Help people of all ages reach their full potential. Be knowledgeable, motivating, and passionate about fitness. People love their pets and spend money to keep them happy and healthy. Pet services are a booming industry. Think about it. Dog walking, pet sitting, grooming, pet photography. Just a few examples. Success requires love for animals, reliability, and excellent service. With the rise of e-commerce, starting a courier business can be a smart move. People rely on delivery services for groceries, takeout, and online purchases. Offer local delivery services to businesses and individuals. Success requires reliability, speed, and excellent customer service. Creating and selling online courses can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Think about the skills or knowledge you have that others would pay to learn. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create, host, and sell your courses. It takes effort, but a successful course can generate passive income for years. With your finance background, personal finance consulting is a natural fit. help others achieve financial peace. Many struggle with debt, budgeting, and saving. Offer services from budgeting to retirement planning. Success requires knowledge, compassion, and good listening. So there you have it, folks. 20 businesses that can help you break free from debt and build a brighter future. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If any of these ideas caught your attention, don't wait. Start researching, make a plan, and take action today. See you in the next video. God bless.